I don't know about you, but this giant, nasty factory air duct needs to go on this LZ0. It already sounds amazing. Let's see if we can make this LM2 intake fit and work for the LZ0. Starting off, we'll need to pull the air filter box out, but to get to that, you're going to have to pull off the radiator air deflector first, and then let's get this air box out. Now it's time for the intake duct to be removed. This is held on by a 7mm clamp on the backside here. It's a little tough to get to, and then you're going to have to work this out, but it's easily done with a little bit of patience. Flip the new duct into place and make sure it's all secured properly, the same way that your old one came out. Getting the giant airbox to fit in place can be a little tough, but with a little bit more patience, it definitely fits, and once it's in place, it looks nice. Tighten up all the clamps, run the wires for the mass airflow sensor, install the mass airflow sensor, and boom, we're ready to go. And now we're installed. Final look over to make sure everything is good to go, and then we're going to go on a road test.